So I live in a house, which sounds normal until you actually live in it, because houses have personalities. My house? Passive, aggressive. I walk into the kitchen at night, and suddenly every floorboard goes.
Oh, so we're eating again?
And don't get me started on the fridge. You ever open the fridge just to think? Not even hungry. Just standing there like it's a therapy session. The fridge light comes on like,
Back again? You were here 10 minutes ago. What changed?
and somehow nothing new appears. I keep checking like, maybe this time a cake has magically spawned. Nope, just the same old lonely carrot judging me. Living with family is even better. You can be minding your own business and someone yells, "Who left the light on?" Now it's a full investigation. I'm like, I don't know. Maybe the light wanted freedom. And every house has that one chair. You don't sit on it. It just holds clothes. At this point, that chair has a full wardrobe and pays rent. Honestly, living in a house teaches you one thing. You don't own the house owns you. Because no matter how relaxed you are, the moment you hear your name from another room, your soul leaves your body.